Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. It's 2022. Going to be doing a series. We do it a little bit differently, just to give you a first-hand approach of how you can do it at home, what your vet should be doing, or maybe you can get us to come and do it for you if you want to be a farmer. So this one here will be about a goat farmer. Typical goat farm in Grenada. We have milk breeds that cross over into meat production. So here is a look. You saw the intro. These are the kids 1 week later, but here is a look of when we just went to the farm. Now in Grenada we have high warm burden mineral deficiency in the grass, the feed, the fodder here. We have a very high warm burden and we have low resistance to parasite in a lot of the goats on the island. So here's a look at what we do. This is our combination. It's a Dr. Carter vet protocol tested. We're using it for the last 7 years. It's very effective. Here is a look. Boy. Eating them still. So this here is Pumpkin. Hey Pumpkin. How you doing, girl? As you can see, she recently had kids. But in general, one of the things we check for, hey girl, you can look at the eyes, and it's a technique. You normally use a FAMANCHA card, and it has a score from 1 to 5. And if it's 3 or below, you have to treat for parasites. They normally have a worm called barber pole worm, Hemancus contortus. He lives in the stomach and it sucks blood. She would be a 2, a fairly 2. The other thing you can also do is check their teeth to see how well they're eating. Now I know when Pumpkin was born, I've been working with her for a few years, but if you don't know the age of a goat, you can check her teeth to see their age. Oh, look here, the little one is suckling. Oh, so cute. So goats generally, they have 2 teeth, so twins would be the most kids you should want from a nanny goat. This one is a little bit weaker than the other. It's the second one to come. They're only 4 days old, but they generally would suckle and then rest. Now Pumpkin is a good mother. So we're all finished. You can see, hey there little cutie. You can see the mark on all of them. Finish our goat protocol. Hello little one, say hello. Hello. All these newborn goat kids, only 4 days old. We treated them. We marked them so you can identify who was treated. If you look closely, you can see. Look at this big fella here. Look at this big fella. He absolutely loves me. See, he's gonna greet me nice. Okay, he's terrified of me. I was kidding. Say hello, yeah? So we're coming into the dry season. This is an old girl, but she's a really good ma. Okay, we are trying to make the videos a bit more interactive, and you see how cute these babies are just jumping around. Goat kids love to play rough. You know, you have the opportunity to name one of them, or even all 4. Leave a name in the comment. You have the description. They all look a bit different, so leave a name in the comments. See what you would like to name them, and if we get enough names and enough likes on the name, so look in the comments as well and like a name if you like it, and see. And the farmer's gonna name them, and we can do a follow-up with these little babies because they'll be around for a while. Okay, so some goats really don't like me. Some are okay. Some are okay. Anyways, thanks again for if you haven't subscribed yet, you know, subscribe to the channel. Send me some videos, send some comments, let me know what videos you may want. Also, if you're interested in some of these goats, the farmer I'm sure will be willing to part with one or two. Yeah, that's a cute fella there. Has strong skin and blood, as you can see. He's a polled, which means he's a natural polled. He was born without horn. A good fella, yeah.